And we're back to learning Affinity in the year day 85. Let me show the inner shadow FX. Well, you know what, let me apply that to a shape so that you can see that all of these FX are not just applicable to text, but also to shapes. Whatever you've got as a layer, you can click on the FX down here. And select, in this case, the inner shadow, check the box. And for this to be visible, we need to increase the radius, and then you can already see it a little bit. Let me increase the intensity. And if I go all the way, this is what it does. But this specific effect is certainly more useful when it comes to text. So let's go back to text element, click on the FX, check the box. Gonna increase the radius, limit the intensity. An important part here is the offset. Let me go maybe to like here, 4 or 5 pixels. The position can be adjusted via angle. You can use different colors. Obviously don't use the same color as your fill. Usually you want to keep that to black, but in principle you can use any color. Opacity is then also a little bit of an intensity parameter. Keep the blending mode to multiply for most. If in your specific case multiply doesn't really work, then switch the blending mode to normal. And this is how you can use the inner shadow in Affinity. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.